स्टैंडर्ड 5 सब्जेक्ट EVS है, चैप्टर 3 है ट्रेडिशनल गेम्स। ये आपका रिविज़न चैप्टर है जो मैं करवाऊँगी, आपको करना है। गेम्स विच were played in our country in earlier times and we still exist are called traditional games. Many games originated in our country in earlier times, but with the passage of time, some of them either lost or have undergone changes and have taken a new form. However, a few traditional games have survived and are still played in different parts of the world. In India, traditional games like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, boat racing and bull racing are very popular. ये सब games क्या थे? Popular थे. Kho-Kho is one of the most popular traditional games in our country. It is played by teams of 12 players. कितने players? 12 players. Who try to avoid being touched by members of the opposing team. In Kho-Kho, one team sits in row in the middle of the court with alternate members in the row facing opposite direction. The other team stands in 2 or 3 members at a time into the court. The motive for the sitting team is to chase and touch the opponents, while following certain restrictions are per rules of the game. The objective is to touch all the opponents in the shortest time possible. The winner is one who taken less time to touch and make the opponents out. अभी कबड्डी है। कबड्डी क्या है? कबड्डी इज़ वेरी ओल्ड एंड पॉपुलर गेम. दिस इज़ प्लेड बिटवीन 2 टीम ऑफ 7 प्लेयर्स. कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं? 7 प्लेयर्स होते हैं. प्लेयर्स टेक टर्न्स टू रेड द अपोजिट टीम हाफ चैंटिंग कबड्डी इज़ वन ब्रीथ. मीन्स वन ही ब्रीथ में कबड्डी ऐसे बोलना होता है हमको. द नंबर ऑफ ओपोनेंट्स अ रेडर टचेस ड्यूरिंग द रेड आर डिक्लेयर्ड out are sent off the field, but if the raider is captured by the defenders or his breath runs out before he runs to his half, he is considered out. At the end of the game, the team with the higher points of score wins. जो उसके हायर ज़्यादा पॉइंट होते हैं वो टीम विन होती है. Wrestling or Kushti has been one of the most popular traditional games of our country. The wrestlers are known as Pehlwans or Mal. In wrestling, 2 wrestlers face each other and attempt to throw the opponents on the ground. मीन्स जो रेसलर होता है वो एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं? अपोनेंट्स ऑफ द ग्राउंड पे भी थ्रो करते हैं, गिराते हैं. Malkam is kind of Indian gymnastic usually performed on a pole. The performer performs various complex exercises which require him to turn, twist, stretch and balance his body on the pole. The grass, agility, dexterity and suppleness of body combined with quick reflexes, muscle coordination and sense of timing of the performers makes this game worth watching. Indian aerobatics. Nut is a traditional Indian sport of aerobatics. It is usually seen being performed on the streets by a group of people, normally belonging to a poor nut family. जो नट होते हैं पुअर फैमिली से होते हैं, गरीब फैमिली से होते हैं. एज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर livelihood, the art is practiced by these families over several generations. Some of the common acts include balancing a child on a huge pole, wherein the child reaches the top of the pole, which is balanced by the male member either on his stomach, chest or head. Another family act is tightrope walking, wherein a young female walks barefoot on a stretch of thin rope fastened at the 2 ends by cross poles नॉर्मली बैलेंसिंग बाम्बू पोल ऑन हर हैंड्स, मीन्स जो बाम्बू होता है उनके हाथ में होता है और वो बैलेंस करते हैं हैंड्स में बाम्बू को लेके, जो रस्सी होती है उसको लेके उस पर बैलेंस करते हैं। मार्शल आर्ट्स, the term martial arts means arts concerned with what? The practice of martial arts helps in improving one's physical and mental strength. The martial arts are fighting skills developed over the centuries. Most of them are connected with religion or self-defense. Many are practiced as a way of life to develop a disciplined mind as well as a healthy body. Martial arts have developed chiefly as sports. All gurus and shishyas of martial arts have to make promise not to use their fighting skills to attack innocent people. Judo, karate, jutsu and kung fu are some of the famous international martial arts. Some of the popular martial art forms of India are Kalaripayattu. Kalaripayattu is the traditional martial art from Kerala and is practiced by both men and women. It includes demonstration of physical exercises and mock duels, both with and without arms. Today, Kalaripayattu is a method of physical fitness and an empty-handed means of self. ये चैप्टर आपका इनकम्प्लीट है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट करवाऊँगी। आपको जितना करवाया उसको रीड करना है, ठीक है। थैंक यू।